Happy Lunar New Year everyone. Chúc mừng năm mới. Chúc mọi người luôn dồi dào sức khỏe, vạn sự như ý và mọi điều tốt đẹp. I hope your new year is filled of love, happiness, good luck, good health, and good vibes are gonna come your way. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how my family celebrates Lunar New Year in Vietnam, what we eat, what we do, what traditions we have, especially during the first day of Vietnamese Lunar New Year. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. Hi, my name is Vân Vũ and I'm a professional Vietnamese. I love everything about Vietnamese food and culture. I had quite a long time living in the US, but I just moved back to Vietnam recently. It's been a very fun experience to relearn my culture and discover new places in Vietnam, and I would love to share all of that with you guys through my YouTube channel. So if you want to explore Vietnam with me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So this is the first year I celebrate Tết, which is Vietnamese Lunar New Year, with my family after 7 years being abroad. And to be honest, I'm a bit nervous now. I don't know why, but I'm very, very excited though. I remember when I was in the US, I celebrated Vietnamese Lunar New Year with my friends. We joined the Vietnamese community there and we watched lion dance, we received red envelopes, the lucky money, and we ate all the good food there even though they're not traditional Vietnamese food. But it was always so much fun and very dynamic, very energetic. But I know this year is quite different. It's quite challenging because I know some of you are not able to come home to visit your family during the Vietnamese Lunar New Year. But just remember to call them and say that you love them, you care for them, and this situation is only temporary and it's gonna end soon. And I hope you are safe and well. I hope you guys are being able to travel again, and maybe someday I'll see you guys in Vietnam. But for now, all I can do is to make more videos about Vietnam to share with you guys, and I hope my videos can brighten up your day, make you smile, and yeah. So today, I just wanted to show you guys how Vietnamese people celebrate Tết in a typical Vietnamese household in Hanoi. Let's start this video from the morning of the New Year's Eve. Hi guys, so it's 7:30 February 11th, which is New Year's Eve. My mom and I will go to the market to shop for the last items like flowers and food for the next 3 days because most of the stores will be closed on the first 3 days of Tết. So yeah, we're gonna go there and I'm gonna show you guys how Vietnamese market looks like. After getting back from the market, I helped my mom set up a 5-fruit tray, which is an indispensable item on the ancestral altar during Tết holiday. 5 different kinds of fruits represent 5 natural elements: metal, wood, water, fire, and soil. The 5-fruit tray also symbolizes the wishes of the homeowner for a good life. Traditional fruits include banana, symbolizes family gathering. Finger citrons symbolize Buddha's hands protecting the whole family. Grapefruits symbolize peace. Red dragon fruits symbolize fortune. And papaya symbolize prosperity. In each region, people choose different types of fruits based on its climate, specialities, and family's perception. And the fruits on the tray can be more than 5. I also helped my mom and my grandma cook the last meal of the year, while my dad and my brother are cleaning the house, make sure everything is set and done. We then brought the food and other traditional offerings to the altar and invited our ancestors to have the last meal of the year with us. We also pray for good health, good luck, and a good life. So this is what we have for New Year's Eve dinner, and what goes on the table really depends on your family and where you live. For my family, we have soy guk, which is red, sweet, sticky rice, boiled chicken glass noodles, bamboo shoots with rib soup, nem rán or chả giò, which is Vietnamese fried rolls, jelly meat, traditional square and brown sticky rice cakes, bánh chưng and bánh tét. A lot of you guys have asked me on my Instagram story what this cake was. This is called bánh tét. It's made of glutinous rice, salted eggs, pork, and mung bean. Same ingredients with bánh chưng, but it's just more colorful. By the way, don't forget to follow my social media to see what I do on a daily basis. And now, let's eat.
Lấy miếng
được rồi.
nè.
Đấy.
Đây. Mẹ làm cái gì vậy? Cái hầu dơ lên phải không? Dơ cả chân con gà lên đó. Yeah.
Do you remember in the last video, some of my foreign friends said they didn't like the boiled chicken because it's not very flavorful and it's quite plain. I just wanted to recommend you guys that you should eat boiled chicken with this salt. It's called Hao Hao. Not sponsored though, but this one is the best. You know, if you eat this one and you squeeze a little bit of lime, and if you can sprinkle some lime leaves on top of the salt and dip the chicken in there, oh my gosh, it's the best. I'm telling you, it's the best. You should try it. It's really good. So after taking a shower, I just changed into my Vietnamese traditional clothes, áo dài. Yeah, and you guys, I can't barely fit in this one because I wore this one last year, and this year I just had a lot of bánh chưng, the square sticky rice cake. Yeah, so I can barely fit into this one, but yeah. But now I'm gonna go down and watch the show with my family. So this is 8 p.m. right now. My family and I are watching the show called Táo Quân, which is considered a traditional show of Vietnamese Lunar New Year. It's basically a comedy show, which is about all the gods reporting the social issues in Vietnam throughout the year to the Jade of Emperor in a funny and sarcastic way. They're actually talking about COVID right now, and with all the dancing and singing, the show is actually very entertaining.
Thế bây giờ thì ai ngu Môn Ngọc Hoàng như thế này là thế nào ạ?
Hey guys, they're counting down.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Chúc mừng năm mới! Happy Lunar New Year, everyone! It's officially 2021. Woo! So this is my favorite part, lì xì. We're gonna give out the lucky money.
Chuẩn bị lấy chồng này, công tác tốt này, cháu trai học thật giỏi này.
Cảm ơn bà. Cảm ơn ông bà.
Ok, đưa con nhé. Mặc dù con không nhiều tiền nhưng mà con vẫn có đủ tiền để cho mọi người. Ok, bây giờ ông trước nhỉ. Đây, cháu chúc ông luôn mạnh khỏe này, sống lâu trăm tuổi, luôn vui vẻ và có nhiều iPhone hơn.
Chúc mừng năm mới.
Chúc mừng năm mới. Okay guys, so it's 2 a.m. right now, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but my eyes are just like watering and pretty red right now, and I'm pretty tired. So I think I'm gonna go to bed. And tomorrow, I'm going to show you guys all the customs that Vietnamese people follow for the first day of the Lunar New Year. It's 8 a.m. right now, guys, and we have our first guest here. The first person to enter a house on the New Year is called Sông Đất. Vietnamese people believe that the first visitor who has a good temper, morality, and success will bring good fortune to the family for the entire year. The person's zodiac sign is the most common, especially in northern and central parts. So after the guests leave, my favorite things to do on the first day of Lunar New Year is to go out and explore Hanoi, because Hanoi right now is so quiet and everybody is sleeping. So I'm gonna show you guys how quiet the street is. All right, let's go. Oh my gosh. No more COVID. The supermarket is even closed right now. Luckily, I bought enough toilet paper for the whole month. Okay, so now I'm gonna call my friends in the US and all the people that had helped me when I was in America to wish them good luck and good health. Chúc lại đi.
Ok. Đầu năm chú chúc con thành công mọi mặt, đặc biệt là có hàng nghìn follower and subscriber to your YouTube channel.
Dạ, cảm ơn chú. I then head down to eat again. Basically, we do nothing during date, just eating and relaxing. Look at this giant shrimp. So on the first day of Lunar New Year, I learned that you're not supposed to break anything because it means damage or loss for the family. So I'm gonna be extra careful. So talking about customs, for the first 3 days of New Year, Vietnamese people avoid sweeping the house or throwing trash away because it's like sweeping all the good fortune or good luck that gods and ancestors give to you. I personally love this custom because my mom would have no reason to yell at me for not cleaning my room. And by the way, yelling is prohibited on the first day of New Year. Gosh, I love date. In the afternoon, my uncle and my aunt visited us. And of course, kids will receive lucky money from the adults.
Ông đây là của ông Thiên. Cháu xin đi. Cháu xin đi. Chúc ông như nào nhỉ? Chúc ông như nào nhỉ? Hai tay. Cho ông như nào? Chúc
I got the lucky money too. I feel extra rich right now, guys. And I remember when I was a kid, I was always so excited to get the lucky money. But I had to give all of them to my parents because they always said that I was too small to keep the money. So I had to give it to them, and they promised that they will give the money back to me. And they ended up taking all of my money and never giving them back to me. But you know what? I'm an adult now. You know, like I am responsible for my money, so I get to keep all of my money, right? And if that happened to you when you were a kid, don't forget to comment down below so we can all sympathize with you. To conclude our day, we visited a temple called Đền Ngọc Sơn. Vietnamese people often go to temples or pagodas on the first 3 days of the Lunar New Year to show respect to the Buddhas and wish for good health and prosperity. They usually prepare traditional offerings such as money, food, drink, and other votive offerings to place on the altars. Yeah, in here you can smell the votive paper and the incense are burning. So I I just got back from the temple and it was so overwhelming. For what I remember 7 years ago, it was not like that, you know? Everything was shut down, the streets were empty, and Hanoi is actually very peaceful and quiet. I think because COVID has affected many businesses this year, so they try to stay open to keep up with the finance. But overall, everything else was good. I love the time spending with my family, eating good food, relaxing, and telling one another the past stories. And that's what I love about Asian culture, because Asian people, especially Vietnamese people, they are very family oriented and they always there to help each other under any circumstances. And Tết is a holiday where everyone can come home and express their gratitude and celebrate the New Year together. 7 years being abroad definitely taught me to cherish every single moment with my family and appreciate what I have and the people who have supported me. So I wanted to give you guys a huge thank you for all of you who have supported me on my journey of making YouTube videos. I love to stay connected with you guys, so please tell me your stories, you know, comment down below this video, DM me on my Facebook, my Instagram, Vân Vũ from Vietnam. I would love to hear your stories and stay connected that way. Last but not least, I just want to remind you guys that you are being loved more than you can feel. You are stronger than you think, and you are smarter than you may seem. I'm wishing you all the best, and may the joy of the new year outshine all the rest. Happy Lunar New Year! Chúc mừng năm mới!